Hack 1. Hack 1. Convert PDFs easily. Ever struggled with editing a PDF? Instead of wasting hours, just convert your PDF into Word, Excel, or PowerPoint for free using tools like Google Drive or online converters. Simply upload your PDF to Google Drive, right-click, and open with Google Docs. Boom, you can edit instantly. Hack 2. Compress PDFs without losing quality. If you've ever tried to email a PDF and it's too large, here's the fix. Use free tools like Small PDF or I Love PDF to compress your file without losing clarity. Perfect for assignments, resumes, or client files. Hack 3. Merge multiple PDFs. Got multiple PDFs and want them in one clean file? Instead of opening each separately, just drag and drop them into a free merge tool. Now you have one professional file that's easy to share. Hack 4. Split PDFs. Sometimes you only need one section of a PDF. Instead of sending the whole file, you can split pages quickly using online tools or even Adobe Acrobat. This is a huge time saver for projects and presentations. Hack 5. Sign PDFs digitally. Forget printing, signing, and scanning. You can digitally sign PDFs with free apps like Adobe Acrobat Reader or even on your phone. Just add your signature once and reuse it whenever needed. Hack 6. Highlight and annotate. For students and researchers, this hack is gold. Use built-in tools in PDF readers to highlight text, add sticky notes, and underline. It transforms your PDFs into interactive study notes. Hack 7. Protect PDFs with passwords. If your PDF has sensitive data, protect it with a password. Free tools let you encrypt your file in seconds. That way, only the person with the password can open it. Hack 8. Extract text or images from PDFs. Need an image or text from a PDF? Instead of retyping or screenshotting, just use an online PDF to text divided by image converter. You'll have your content ready to use in seconds. Secret hack. Here's the bonus hack I promised. You can actually turn your PDF into an audiobook using text-to-speech tools. Just upload your PDF and let AI read it to you, perfect for learning on the go. And that's it. 8 powerful PDF hacks plus a secret bonus. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and drop a comment with your favorite hack. See you in the next video.